Okay, so this is the second part of example 3, and the book is giving you 3 numbers. Change color is giving you 3 numbers. You have 1/10, and then 100, 100, and then you have 1,000, and then 1/10,000. So basically, I'm trying to teach you how to basically differentiate which one is the bigger number, which is the biggest number among these 4. Okay, and try to know the order of these numbers. So when you have like decimal numbers like this, and the first thing that you will notice is that this 1/10 have the first number, have the first non-zero number on the 10th place, right? And the second, and this number, this decimal number, have the first non-zero digit on the 100th place, and this one has the first non-zero digit in the 1000th place, and the last one has it on the 10,000th place. So remember the place values. You have the decimal point, and then you have the tenth, you have the hundredth, thousands, and then 10,000. So the tenth is bigger than the hundredth, okay? And the hundredth is bigger than the tenth, then the thousands, and the thousands is bigger than the 10,000. Basically, in the place values that are closer to this decimal point is bigger. Okay, this is a different rule. The place values that are closer to this decimal point in a decimal number are bigger. Again, tens is greater than 100, and 100 is greater than thousands, and the thousands is greater than 10,000. That means the tens is greater than the 100, the thousands, and the 10,000. And the 10,000 is smaller than the 10, 100, and the thousands. Okay. So in this case, we have the 1/10, 100, 1,000, the 1/10,000, and the first number has this digit 1 placed in the 10th place, right? The 10th place is greater than the 100th place, the 1000th place, and the 10,000th place. So this number which has the 1 in the 10th place is greater than this number which has the 1 in the 100th place. Okay? So like that. 1/10 is greater than 100th. And the same. 100th is greater than 1,000 because the digit 1 is in the 100th place in this second number, and the digit 1 is in the 1000th place in this third number. So since the 100th place, any digit in the 100th place is greater than any digit in the 1000th place, this number 100 is greater than 1,000. The same thing, 1,000 is greater than 1/10,000. So this is the order: the greatest and the smallest. Okay. So in the book you have number 1/10 and 100. 1/10 is greater than 100 because this digit 1 is in the 10th place, and this digit 1 is in the 100th place. And any number in the 10th place, any number in this 10th place is greater than any number in the 100th place. It doesn't matter. This number can be a 9, but still this 10th place number is greater than the 100th place number. Okay? So let's go to an example. Number 2, it shows you 100, then 1/10. Again, 1/10 is greater than 1/100th, so you have the sign looking at the mouth of the fish looking at the 1/10. Then 3, you have 1,000 and 1/10,000. 1,000 has the digit on the thousandth place, so any number in the thousandth place is greater than the number in the 10,000th place. So 1,000 is bigger than 1/10,000, like that. Okay, so now we have another set of decimals. I'll write down in the black screen. Okay, it says these are 400ths. Then you have the 800ths. Oh, sorry. I'll write it again. Okay, so we have the 4,000s, 8,000s, 500ths, and 3,000s, and 7/10,000s. Okay, so first look at the place value that the digit is occupying. Okay, each digit in this first number, this number 4, which is the only non-zero number, is in the thousands place, right? Thousands. Same here. Number 8 is in the thousands place, but in the third number, the 5 is in the hundredth place. And this for the fourth number, the digit 3 is in the thousandth place, and for the last number, the number 7, digit 7 is in the 10,000th place. So which place value is the biggest? I think in this case, the 100th is the biggest among the place values, right? The 100th is bigger than the thousands, right? The 100th is bigger than the thousands. I write it again. When we have a decimal point, we have the 10th to the right, the first place to the right of decimal point, and then comes the 100th. Then comes the thousands. And then comes the 10,000. And I said that any number, any place value, the place value that is closer to this decimal point is bigger, right? So the 100th, which is here, is bigger than the thousands, and also bigger than the 10,000. Okay? So any number in the 100th place will be bigger than any number in the thousands and in the 10,000th place. Therefore, this number, which has the 5, the digit 5 in the 100th place, is the biggest. Okay? So the biggest number is 500. Then we have the numbers that have their digits on the thousandth place, which are the first number, the second number, and the third number. They have their digits on the thousandth place. But now they are all in the same place, value, in the thousands. So now we compare the value of each number. The 4, the 8, and the 3, which is the biggest. The biggest is obviously this 8, right? So we write 8,000 is the biggest, and then comes the 4,000, because 4 is bigger than 3, so 4,000, and then 3,000. Oh, sorry, this should be 4,000 like that. Then the 3,000, and then the last number, the smallest number, will be 10,000, because it has its digit 7 in the 10,000th place.